Before we did this project, we had a lot of complaints about the windows. In some rooms, some of the bedrooms, they didn't open. In other bedrooms, they opened, but then they couldn't get them shut because the window sashes were broken. We had cracked windows, we had warped windows. We just had basically non-functioning windows. And in pretty much all the bedrooms, the complaint was that even if the windows were shut and it was cold outside, you could feel a draft. So we knew we needed to do something. We had kind of exhausted our resources in terms of fixing the windows. We had the sashes fixed and replaced so many times, I can't even count them. And I think right now the girls don't even realize how bad the windows were because this is every year we get a new group of girls living in here. But the good news is nobody complains about the windows. So in our minds as board members, that's a win because we know we've got a great product. They open, they close, they're energy efficient, everything works properly, and they look great on top of that.